Brian Christopher's joined the Connecticut Hot Dog Club for day 2, and we are just waiting to hear where you went this time.
Good morning, guys. We are back at it Tuesday, and we are going strong. Jordan's Hot Dogs and Mac right here on State Street in New Haven, and it's actually run by a husband and wife duo. So Corey over here is pumping out over 100 hot dogs a day here at Jordan's. How did you guys really get all into this? Because you didn't want it to just be normal hot dogs.
No, we wanted crazy hot dogs. Chili Mac Supreme. It has mac and cheese, chili, bacon, jalapenos, and it's topped with Parmesan cheese.
And it's kind of like the best of both worlds. You got your meat, you got your macaroni. What more could you want?
It's just crazy stuff around here.
Yeah. How did the name Jordan's all come about?
Well, that's my stepson.
Oh, it is?
That's the real owner.
Happy birthday, Jordan. So what makes these hot dogs a little different than others?
The buttered bun, the split dog.
So we're doing Hot Dog Week here, right? So we've been wearing these t-shirts. Do you guys ever change clothes?
Well, we have a wardrobe full of these
Right.
shirts.
You have about 7 or 8.
Yeah, but they're all the same. They're all hot dogs.
Right. How many hot dogs have you put down in a day?
Probably 5.
You're still keeping it in shape over here, you know? It's the shirt.
I got this medium on.
Oh, yeah. There it is, Jordan's right on State Street. Jocelyn, you go.
I go there.
Yeah.
It's really good.
What do you order when you go?
I've tried a bunch of them, actually.
Yeah?
But that mac and cheese one.
Mac and cheese looks incredible.
I need to go there
You
this
know, I mean,
afternoon.
hot dog and a mac, it's like, does it get any better than that? I don't know. Ooh.